lot of scary motherfuckers that keep coming here doing these requests. If y'all want Tia in here, stop sending all these requests so I can see her requests. I got a whole bunch of requests. And she, here she go. Here she go. Here she go. Here she is.
I'm on here.
Yes, you on here, baby.
What's up, ugly, moogly, fucking, ugly bitch?
What's up, ugly
Your
bitch?
pussy face ass.
Yes,
Let me
what's
tell
up,
you
ugly ass?
cheese
What's up,
better. Let me tell you something better cheese. You want to be a bitch ass
No,
bitch?
I don't want to be a bitch like you.
Stick a punch
You're
up your
ugly bitch.
motherfucking ass and
And
make
you
your
suck
ass
dick
hit a
sucking
football
ass,
field, bitch.
motherfucking bitch.
Get your ass in the weight room,
You need a
bitch.
man. You don't even have a man with your child.
Snoop
Dick
footy
sucking
fat
ass.
back boy. You
All
want
right,
that
bitch.
bitch? You
That's what you want to get in.
wide
I thought you
back
were gonna get
Mac
in.
truck tire face looking motherfucker. Let me tell your ugly ass something, bitch. You like your face need alignment. You way back tablet, no hairline, ugly motherfucker. You what is your sister like a nigga like? Clean your pussy ass motherfucking glasses. And I'ma call Gillette. I'm calling Gillette the razor people to get the money.